4-bed, 2-bath, big yard, garage, walkable, 280.
I'm gonna check it out.
Sure. All right, here we are in the kitchen. What do you think?
Honestly, I love this kitchen. There's tons of counter space for all my prep work. Perfect. Love this kitchen.
Okay, cabinet space, is enough cabinets for you?
Cabinet space also really, really nice. I got a bunch of stuff, tons of storage for all my stuff. You like this? Wait till we see the bathroom upstairs.
Just look at the size of this bathroom.
I know. I feel like I'm in a hotel spa.
I know. Let's get you out of there and go check out the backyard.
And finally, welcome to your backyard. Possibilities are basically endless back here. You've got a big tree if you want a tire swing. Basketball hoops already there. Garage is back here too. It's partially.
You ever play bocce ball?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. This backyard would be perfect for bocce ball. Could be.